making an adorable spiked Easter deco mesh wreath. What you will need, I have tons of different colors of 6-inch deco mesh. I just chose colors that coincided with my sign, which this is my adorable sign for the center. An 18-inch wreath ring, Chanel stems, cute little different colors and sizes and patterns of ribbon, scissors and a rotary cutter, and a hot glue gun. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so I have cut my mesh into 8-inch long pieces. I have several different colors, and I have cut my stems into thirds. I'm just going to put them together in different color orders to make my bundles, and I'm going to use 3 pieces of mesh in each bundle. Since I have way more than 3 colors, not each bundle is going to have every single color, so that's actually what I'm going for, because I think it's going to make it look so fun and colorful and mix things up a little bit. So what I'm going to do, roll my mesh at a diagonal, and again I'm going with 3 pieces. I've used as many as 5 pieces, so you can definitely do that as well, whatever you prefer, but I feel like 3 pieces, it makes a pretty decent sized bundle. And I'm just crisscrossing all the pieces, scrunch them together, take my stem and twist it a couple of times, and flare it out. And I'm going to do it again with different colors. If you choose to go with 2 or 3 of the same color, then you can do that as well. That's usually what I do. I just wanted to kind of try something different this time, just because my sign is so colorful. I wanted to add in a few different colors. Scrunch, add my stem, and twist it a couple times. So you can already see those 2 bundles look completely different, and when they all mesh together, I think it's going to look really nice. So I'm going to get all of my bundles made, and then we will start placing it on our wreath ring. The poofier and fluffier you want your wreath, the more mesh you're going to need, so the more bundles you're going to add. And you can even add more mesh to each bundle to help make it fluffier and poofier. So you can see each bundle is slightly different, and the colors are slightly altered in each bundle. Alright, I'm going to get the rest of my bundles made, and then we will start placing it on our wreath ring. So I'm using the larger 18-inch wreath ring, which only has 1 center ring, as opposed to the 14-inch wreath ring, which has 2 center rings that I usually work with. I'll link videos showing you that in the description box down below. You can check those out. So for this one, there are a couple options. You can alternate outer, center, inner, all the way around the wreath. You can go with just the center. You can just go with the outer 2, whatever you prefer. The possibilities are endless. I usually just alternate between each ring just because I feel like it makes a pretty decent sized wreath. So that's what I'm going to go with. Place it on the outer ring and twist, and then the center ring and twist, and then the inner ring and twist. You'll be able to kind of fluff it up and flare it out a little bit more once all of your mesh is in place. But this is what it's looking like so far. So cute and precious. Alright, I'm going to continue going all the way around the ring. I decided to go with 3 pieces of mesh in each bundle and 4 bundles in each of my 8 sections. You can definitely go with more if you choose to do so. It just depends on how large and poofy you want your wreath to be. And the good thing is you can always add more mesh later and you feel like, oh, I need a little bit more, or I want it a little bit poofier. then you can definitely do so. All right, I'm going to get the rest of my bundles placed and show you the finished product. All right, so I have all of my bundles in place. I think it's so cute and colorful. I was going to add in more ribbon to each bundle, but I decided not to do that because I really wanted to get the full effect of the different colors of the mesh, and I think it looks so cute. Now I'm just going to add the sign to the center. You can add any additional embellishments you want, ribbons, bows, whatever you prefer, or you can leave it just like this. A lot of times I do leave it just like this because I think it's so cute and precious, but for this specific wreath I'm going to add my adorable colorful sign to the center just to bring it all together. So I'm going to flip my sign over, cut off the top hanger, and I'm going to twist 2 stems together to form one long stem for the top and one for the bottom. And then I'm just going to hot glue it into place. So I'm just pushing my mesh outward so that I can snugly place my sign in the center. And I'm just going to push the mesh aside and attach my stem to the actual wreath ring and twist it a couple of times just to make sure it's nice and secure. And replace my mesh. And I'm going to do this for all 4 stems. And then once I get all of my stems attached, I'm just going to adjust and maneuver my mesh a little bit more just to make sure there aren't any gaps or spaces and everything looks so cute and precious. Again, I did have ribbon I was going to add to my bundles, but I decided not to do so. But if you choose, you can definitely add ribbon to each bundle. I'll link some videos showing you how that looks as well. Or you can leave off the ribbon, leave off the signs, whatever you prefer. You can also add any other additional embellishments, some eggs or flowers. Just have fun with it and make it your own. But it's so cute, simple, and easy to make. Modify the color, the style, add in any additional embellishments you prefer.